Barbie after the walk, which I'm assuming is priced the same, but you better double check it.
The Coca-Cola one?
Yeah. And we got a ton of Shirley Temple. People still love her. They'll always love Shirley.
So it looks like the Coca-Cola ones are like anywhere between like 25 and 45.
Okay.
Here.
All right, and what about Shirley Temple Little Miss Marker? And the Red Cross. Look at that cute shade, Shirley. Shirley. Surely you jest.
Probably around 50.
Alright.
Yeah. You think Shirley Temple would be worth more. She's so cute. Look at
She
the little
is
jacket.
Very cute. Alright. Well, we're surrounded by dolls.
Yes, yes we are.
We are all dolled up. God.
So wait. So even us, even though we're very, very geniuses doesn't even make sense. We still have to look things up sometimes because we don't want to make any mistakes.
Yes.
So we kind of know what they're worth, but we're kind of double checking our worth because prices change all the time, and we want to make sure that we get the most we can for our clients.
Yes, because sometimes something like Shirley Temple, you know, since when she passes away, skyrockets. So we always check. And oh, look at this adorable cookie jar that's coming through.
Beep 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 beep. Hi. Beep beep.
How cute is that? Is that a cookie jar?
It is a cookie jar.
Oh my.
And there's
So-
another one I have to go get too that she
Well,
wants.
don't trip.
We have dolls and
Thank
we have
you.
dolls and cookies.
I'll be right
And if
back.
you tune in later, I'll tell you how much this cookie jar is selling for. I'd wink, but I'm not a good winker.
No, you're not. You're gonna have to.
Ready to go.
You're gonna have to practice that. All right, we're gonna start calling you Winky. It's more like a Blinky.